Hello, bro. Let's start the demo for Egyptian Tax Authority. So first we have to create the API instance. I will say the first instance. For now, I will create is client ID and client secret. I have it in my let's paste it. Yeah. Then yeah. And then I will find secret. Save it. Okay, save it and select the game. So we will see it over here while we get the connection, successful connection. Then I will get the ETA document types. Okay, then we can view your own types. Make everything. Over here are document types and here are the document versions. So our IP is connected and we have document types and the versions. Now we will go to invoicing section and simply create a invoice and we try to push it on ET. Okay, let's create our first invoice. So Odoo is really cool. It's working really fast. So anyhow, okay, we need to configure our chart of account at once. As I told you, we need to configure some packages for you, like at once. Like let's install UE accounting for now, or we can use KSA, KSA. Let's try it. No, okay, I'm installing one between the new chart of account for now. Okay, we are done with chart of accounts. Let's go back to invoicing again. Okay, let's again try to create an invoice. Then we will add us one invoice paying. Let's select the customer. Then he is again demanding for the chart of account. Still missing. Let's try again. This time we will select the unique counting. Afterwards, you can provide your own chart account for Egyptian. So I think it's done again. Let's try again. Not go to invoicing. Create again invoice. Let's see. Now we will allow us to create invoice. And so it hours, add products, Yahoo, like this. We want to sell it. Okay. Immediate payment. Okay. And one more. Uh, yeah, we're done. Let's add addition API views. Like our API instance is first instance and document is invoice and the version is this and these field UBID, EDN, long ID and internal ID. These will come from the Egyptian Tax Authority after the successful document submission. Like let's save the document once. So you can confirm and can create invoice on ADA and you are done with the work. That's it. Then you will check your invoice on ADA.